Yeah, hello. So you are welcome to Joyous Man page. So I want you to teach you how you can create a professional page of Facebook. First thing, log into your Facebook account. Automatically, I've logged in my Facebook on this browser. So I'm going to come to here, create a page. Create a page. So when we click on the create page, it will bring us to these two options. First one, business or brand. Second one, community or public figure. So we are going to click on this one, get started. Now, what do you want to name your business? Now, Joyous Man. So category like marketing. Now, advertising, marketing, shopping and real. So, or based on what I want to set the page on, email marketing. Now, let's choose a local business. Now, your address, sawmill. Now, city, Osun State. Osun. Now, your city zip code. So I've already copied this. So this is my city zip code. Now, this number, this is optional. If you like, you can add. If you don't like, you cannot. You don't need to add. But I don't need to add this. Now, on this, don't show my address. Only show that this business in the city. Now, if you like, you can show address. But I want to leave it like that. Now, when I click it, continue, so it bring me to this next step. So this bring upload a profile picture. So I will upload a profile picture for my page. So now we have the page picture. Now is now a request for add a cover photo. If you like, you can add or skip, but I'm going to add the cover photo. Now I've already had the cover photo. Now my page I've already liked. So the next thing is that you can see invite a friend to like your page, but we are not doing that. You can come to settings. Now there's a lot of settings here, but let's start from this. Now, page published. Automatically your page has published. Or if you want to unpublish your page, you can click here and click on save and change. But page published. Now you now click on save and change. Now you can see it's already saved. So if you want to remove your page, but we are not and one thing is that if you want to add Instagram to your Facebook page, now you can see manage Instagram on Facebook, add your Instagram to get started. Now you can click on login. Now you can see I've automatically have Instagram. I've already logged in Instagram to this browser, so I'm going to click on login. Now I've automatically add Facebook page to my Instagram page. Now you can see this is the picture I use for my page, and that is the picture I use for my Insta. You can see business profile, so you click on continue. Now this, just click on done. Now you have switched to a business profile on Instagram. Now you now click on done.